Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this compression meter here. It's a compression tester for your petrol engine. It goes from 0 up to 20 bar or from 0 up to 300 psi compression meter. The compression tester has a range on the nanometer. As you can see, it can shows you the pressure inside your cylinder of an petrol engine. The compression tester includes the adapter M10 to 1.0 and M12 to 1.25, M14 to 1.25 and M18 to 1.5. But I think the best way is to push it in position. You should not tighten it with a screw inside your engine bay. That's not it's my thing. I'm not going to do that. I push it in position in the remove the sparkling plugs, of course, before you have to remove the ignition coil, then the spark plugs, and unplug the spark plugs, of course. Then you push the tester into position inside the cylinder of your engine bay, and then you have to start the engine for approximately 8 seconds or 10, and then the pressure you can read on the scale there, and you can see that maybe the compression is okay or not okay on your engine. The compression tester with 2 times pressure pipes with rubber detachment. The compression gauge compressor tester is a universal applicable tester that allows compression pressure testing on engines. The compression gauge compression tester is a reliable tester that allows an accurate measurement of compression in our engine bays. The unit is compact and lightweight, this making it so easy to transport. It can be easily stored in any toolbox, as you can see. This is the compression gauge compression tester. It's a device for petrol engines, because petrol engines has a standard bar of 15 or 12. Between 15 is a standard value in the compression area. And if you have 3 cylinders, for example, and one is 13, the other is 12, and the third one is only 8, you have a problem in the 8-bar cylinder. That means you have to look deeper in the engine bay if there is such a compression problem. And the compression tester here comes with all what you need and is easy to use because it comes with 2 gauge lines and 1 flexible line with 4 connection screw connectable devices or adapters. But I dislike this. I'm going to use only the rubber sealed tubes to make a fast and easy pressure testing, cylinder pressure testing inside a car engine with petrol. This device here comes from LLC Tools, and it makes a really good job, I think, for DIY projects and so on. This is the compression meter here, which you can check the engine cylinder compression very well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give my positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.